3000K and 3000 lumen. ZT Axon Pro. Screen is all pristine, however it doesn't work because of a cracked circuit board, so we'll see how well Android Corning Gorilla Glass holds up to getting run over. Like a couple scratches, but there are no cracks on it. Definitely flattened the phone. Let's see how much more damage we can do on it.
If I bother you, never bother me. I feel happy and fine. Ha-ha! Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Having got a lot, I don't need a
quick video. These headlights are super bright. Fog lights are brighter than finally got these. I didn't get them, but I painted them. Really nice and glossy. We gave it about, I think, 3 or 4 coats of base color and 3 coats of clear. Also polished it, buffed it, and these are now on sale on letgo.com, on OfferUp, and on Facebook, so hit me up if you want to get these. This car is so quiet. Something different, Zachary?
I have a headache, yo.
I wonder what's different about this car.
Next is the turbo drop it.
Yeah, it's on. It's idling, but it's just so quiet.
Watch you press on it, it'll be mad loud. Yeah, it's on normal.
So what happened is we went to a shop and fixed that exhaust leak the right way. Couldn't take that leak sound anymore.
That video will be dropped right here.
Finally fixing this leak with slow 6. Damn, my camera's in the back seat too, bro. Nah, I can't get it now. It's too late.
Something like,
look at this, bro. Horsepower.
you should go in there and record so you can know what taking home. He's gonna be under there
Long story short, on the way back from fixing that exhaust leak, caught a flat, and I got a check engine light, which I'll show you right here. For some reason my OBD2 adapter thing wasn't working, so I went to AutoZone. O2 circuit, bank 2 sensor 2. 1 step forward, 2 steps back.